In a lush, green meadow, lived a tiny ladybug named Lily. She was known for her vibrant red shell and the black dots that adorned her wings. One sunny morning, Lily found herself feeling quite lonely. "Why must I be so small?" she pondered. "I long to help others, but my size limits me." As days passed, a flower, wilted and weak, lay on the ground. Lily felt sorry for it, but she couldn't lift it up. A bee buzzed by, nectar-laden, but Lily couldn't reach the sweet reward. One day, a caterpillar named Charlie approached. He was struggling to climb a tall stem, slipping and sliding with every attempt. Lily, feeling sympathetic, decided to help. With a gentle nudge, she pushed Charlie up the stem, cheering him on. Charlie reached the top, transforming into a beautiful butterfly, spreading joy all around. Seeing this, a thought occurred to Lily: even though I may be small, I can still make a big difference. From that day forward, Lily sought out ways to help others, realizing that size doesn't determine one's worth. She learned that everyone, no matter how big or small, has the power to make a difference in someone's life. And so, the meadow bloomed with acts of kindness, as the tiny ladybug called Lily showed everyone that size doesn't define one's ability to make a difference. Moral: no matter how small you may feel, remember that you have the power to make a difference in the lives of others.